Today we'll prepare rasmalai. Rasmalai is a classic traditional Indian dessert made from cottage cheese. It has a very nice sublime flavor with a light thickened milk which is flavored from saffron and dry fruits, and very tasty yet very easy to make. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button, and thank you all for loving my channel so much. So let's begin with this delicious recipe of rasmalai. For that I have taken milk. I have taken here 1 liter because we need to make the ras or the syrup for the rasmalai. So after boiling on medium to high flame for around 4 to 5 minutes, I'll add sugar. So there goes around 200 grams of sugar in 1 liter of milk, and then we need to reduce this a little reduced consistency, not the exactly rubbery one, because we don't want it to have a very thick consistency. We want a thin consistency rubbery for rasmalai, and to this I'll add few strands of saffron for taste as well as color. You can also add some yellow food color, but I had saffron so I have used this. Then I'll add around half teaspoon of green cardamom powder. This gives a very nice Indian flavor to the rabdi, and do not forget to scrape the sides of the milk. To this I'll add some dry fruits. I have some cashew, some almonds and some chopped pistachios. This gives a very nice flavor to the rabdi, and now mix it and let it cook for more 5 to 10 minutes. See, my rabdi is looking good now, and the consistency, see, it should be watery, not exactly the thickened rabdi as we always did. So now turn off the gas and let it rest. For making the rasgullas, I have taken here 1 liter of milk, the normal one, toned one, not the full cream milk. Let the milk boil, and once it starts boiling, reduce the flame to medium high, and then I have taken around 2 tablespoons of vinegar in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. You can also use lemon juice at this stage. Now mix it, and now we are going to add this mixture to our milk. Before adding, make sure the milk is on high again, and now add gradually to the milk. Stir it slowly and you will see the cheese has started to form. See how beautifully the cheese has separated from water. And if your flame is on low, medium or low, this results will never come. Now we need to strain that. For that I have taken a muslin cloth and I'll strain this mixture. Actually I have kept this strainer in a vessel because I want that cheese water. I often use them in gravies or to make a dough. This is equally beneficial and also it's very flavorful. So now I'll strain it. See, actually we had added vinegar, so I'll use some cold water to wash out the vinegar if there would be some smell, or if you use lemon juice also, make sure we do this. You can also do this process under the running water. So wash nicely and now squeeze it, and my cottage cheese is ready, Indian cottage cheese. Now I'll give it rest for good 30 to 40 minutes. This is the water I was talking about. You can store this, and just 30 to 40 minutes would be ready, and my cottage cheese is done here. Don't over dry it. We need a little moisture in the cottage cheese so that it can be mushed very nicely. And now the process begins to make great rasmalai, I mean the sponges. The secret to a good spongy and soft rasmalai or sponge is the kneading process here. So what I'll do, I'll use my palm in this way to nicely knead this paneer or the cheese mixture to such a level that it becomes buttery and soft, and it's very nicely would be wrapped up like a dough. I am again showing you, just start from one side from bottom, then you can do this in this way as I am showing in my video. This process takes good 6 to 7 minutes, or depends upon your cottage cheese. The motto here should be the cottage cheese once done perfectly can be wrapped up like a dough. See how my cottage cheese is reacting at the end, and at this stage when you see it's done, Add half teaspoon of corn flour and again mix it. This really binds the dough well, and see, after mixing for good 7 to 8 minutes, my dough is looking great, no cracks, and how smooth ball has been prepared. So this would be the consistency, and you can see the oil has released in my hands. So let's start making the rasgullas. First I'll divide it in two portions. I am making Angoori Rasmalai, the small ones. Angoori means grapes, so somewhat similar to size of grapes. So just roll it in this way. Each roll should come around 20 to 25 approx, so that you can get really small ones, and once they go in the syrup they will just double. So I'll cut around 20 to 25 rasgullas. So see how small they are. It is actually looking very small, but when I'll cook it you can see the size just doubles up. So these are ready, and let's prepare the syrup. For cooking this I have taken around 7 cups of water, and to it I'll add around 200 grams of sugar. And now we need to make a syrup that is not thick at all. We will just wait till the moment this sugar dissolves in water, and the temperature should be always maintained while cooking these balls. Once the temperature is lowered, the balls would lose their structure and the whole thing will be just disturbed. So add everything, all the balls, and now just leave it for 3 to 4 minutes till you see the balls have become stable, and after 3 to 4 minutes cover it and cook it on medium high flame for next 12 minutes. My whole process took around 15 to 16 minutes. You can actually see because they will double in size. See, in this way. The main thing to remember while cooking this rasgullas, the temperature should be maintained. The bubbling of the water should not be decreased at any consistency. If that happens, this will reduce the size and will be a very bad shape. So see, I think after 15 to 16 minutes these are done. I'll just show you one how it should be. See, as I had said, it would double in size, and yes, it has doubled, and it's very soft and spongy. And just see how it has puffed up and how beautifully it has absorbed. I'll show you in a close look. See, it's quite spongy, it's soft, succulent, and it has absorbed all the sugar syrup. So this should be a perfect rasgulla. Now just use a spoon to drain out the excess syrup and add gently to the rubbery mixture we had prepared. See, so this is what I was talking about. The rubbery should be of little watery consistency, because now this rasgullas will literally drink this rubbery mixture and will become perfect rasmalai. So now I'll transfer to a nice casserole, and this goes to the fridge for good 4 to 5 hours, and after 4 to 5 hours my rasmalai is ready to be savored. Just look at my Angoori Rasmalai. Actually it's got his name because Angoori means, it's, as I said, it's grapes. So they are small balls resembling grapes, and it has great taste. I'll just cut one for you and show you. See how soft and smooth it is. So I hope you have liked this video. Do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.